Hey, have you ever heard of a case called Yick Wo v. Hopkins? If not, probably like 99.9% of the entire population. However, this case is incredibly important because it was the first time that the Supreme Court said that the Constitution applies to you even if you are not a citizen of the United States. Here's what the case was about. In 1886, there was a law by the city of San Francisco that said if you were going to have a laundromat in a wooden building, that you had to have a permit. Very simple law, and there was one problem. The city of San Francisco was granting permits to all the white people and turning down all the Chinese people. And so a Chinese individual sued the city of San Francisco and said that he was being deprived of his constitutional rights. And there was a huge uproar. Wait a second. If you are a non-citizen, you're not entitled to protection under the Constitution. And the Supreme Court examined the language of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, and it says that no state shall deprive any person of equal protection under the law. And because it didn't say citizen, the Supreme Court said that Chinese people, even though they are not American citizens, are protected under the Constitution and they can't be discriminated against under the Equal Protection Law. But the court decision didn't stop there. They actually looked at the language of the law, which was non-discriminatory on its face. It didn't say, don't give a permit to Chinese, or this permit is only available for white people. It just said if you're going to have a wooden structure with a laundromat inside, you have to have a permit. But because the government officials were applying that law in a discriminatory manner, that meant that it was unconstitutional. So this huge, impactful decision that we are citing to and feeling the repercussions from even today and probably for another 130 years is a case that most people have never even heard of. But now you know.